This is a model to show that how to conserve the or save earth. Now this is a flexagon through which we can show the 4 stages. So now here we are doing conservation of nature. I have pasted here many trees. So previously our earth was full of greeneries. Now after some time we have developed the high-rise building, factories, and then we did mining. So earth is totally polluted. Then what happened? We have come to know now we have to use the other sources of energy like solar energy, then wind energy. So what will happen? If we follow this, we will be able to save our earth. We have to use CFL bulb, we have to grow more plants, and we have to keep our earth green and clean. So then only we all have to be doing it togetherly. Hence our earth will again be green. So all of us will take the oath to keep our earth clean and green. This is a flexagon through which we can show 4 stages of life cycle of butterfly or conservation of nature, anything. Thank you.